Hello, I'm Brother G. What I have here is the Xiaomi K90 Pro Max, which hasn't been released yet. This time, its biggest selling point is probably the collaboration with BOSE to create our super luxurious 2.1 channel sound system. This phone has 3 super luxurious speakers. At the top and bottom, there are symmetrical 1115F ultra-linear symmetrical dual speakers. Then, on the back, there's a large BOSE speaker, and this is also a dual voice called subwoofer. Its sound is very pleasant. Let's experience it together. When it comes to songs, we definitely can't miss Tai Chin's songs. Let's experience Tai Chin's voice together.
Who is that? Knocking on my window?
Can you hear it? This bass sounds great. With the subwoofer, the bass is really strong.
Rich, powerful, and deep.
The Forgotten Time.
Everyone, pay attention to Tai Chin's voice. It's very full and also smooth.
Launch My Heart.
Can you hear it? Listening to female vocals is also very pleasant.
Who is it?
Other sounds have come in. Can you feel it? The transition between the 3 frequencies is very smooth, which shows that the transient response of these 3 speakers is well tuned.
Jelly, okay, let's switch to another song. This song you should be familiar with it. Hotel California. Pay attention to the sound of the instruments. Especially the high notes. Did you hear that? It went up effortlessly, crisp and rising. Here, pay attention to the details of the audience. Its resolution is very strong. It can resolve even the very subtle sounds of the audience. Listen carefully. Pay attention to its separation. Other instruments are gradually coming in. Can you feel the sound of the instrument coming from different directions? The separation is really good. Having more speakers has this advantage, and can you feel it? Even though the separation is very distinct, you can still feel the cohesiveness of the whole concert. So the tuning is really well done, and the imaging is also very well executed. Can you feel the sound of different instruments? The separation is great. The vocals have come out very full. Do you feel it? Moreover, the vocals are very forward. So this 2.1 channel has this advantage. It's as if the person is right in front of you. It's like the person is singing right in front of you. This immersive feeling is really nice. Also, now pay attention to its resolution. You can hear the friction sound of the person's throat. If you listen carefully, the resolution is very high. Wow guys, after waiting so long, finally a phone with great sound quality has come out. It's really exciting. After its release, you must try it yourself. It's really good.